me I'm not the belly, me at the chef in the place. We round the kitchen, me said the place on the jam to be active, me make it taste so nice. Me a the man to cook up a spicy curry rice. Yardie belly a medium, come check me radio station. Tuning at the vibes, feel the job creation. Me a cook it up, yeah. Me a steer it in a pot, music and food, the combination.
Hello folks, so today we are making a crazy delicious dish. We are making a seafood mushroom coconut Alfredo. If you want to see how we make it, run on over. The first thing we have is our list of ingredients. We have mushroom, we have some seafood mix, which is a mixture of different types of seafood. We have scallion, thyme, parsley and cilantro, garlic, tomatoes, onion, shrimp, and we are using olive oil, 100% olive oil, and we also have some Grace Jamaican coconut milk, yes, and we're using fettuccine for this one. So let's run into the pot and see what we can do. As a matter of fact, don't leave out the butter. Make we start now. I chop up some ingredients and then we get this dish on the way. First thing you want to do is rough chop your ingredients. Here I am cutting the mushrooms and I'm cutting them in a particular way because I don't want the type of shape to come out. Then I'm cutting my onions and of course, you can use whatever style onion you want, whatever kind of onion, red onion, sweet onion, yellow onion. I'm also cutting up some garlic. I don't know what happened with the film right here. And of course, we are also putting our pasta down, okay? You want to put your fettuccine according to the instructions on the box. This one says about 10 to 12 minutes. So that's where we're going. And I don't want to break them up, guys. I want them to be long, all right? So let's go. We are putting our garlic into some olive oil to sweat. And you don't want a hot pan, guys. You don't want it super burning. You don't want the olive oil to burn the garlic and you don't want the oil to burn. All right. As soon as the garlic gets to a certain point, then you want to add your seafood mix. Now, the seafood mix was previously boiled, guys, because it was raw. So the instructions on the package said boil it. So we boil it first. All right. So now we're adding it to our garlic to get that nice aromatic flavor going. And you want to start building from here. All right. And we're adding our onions and getting them all sweat down as well before we start to add other ingredients. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure you reserve some of your pasta water, guys, because you're going to use it in the long run. All right. Here I'm putting down some thyme. And of course, thyme may not be, your cup of tea, but we use it as Jamaicans. Then you want to add your scallions. At this point, you want to add any other ingredients that you want to have to make your dish work. We're supposed to be putting Scotch bonnet pepper, but we never remember the pepper. Here I'm putting some of the pasta water, guys, just to deglaze the pan a little bit. And then I'm going to move on into my coconut milk. At this point, you are almost ready. You just want to put your coconut milk in and allow this to reduce a little bit. All right. And so the next thing I'm going to work on is my shrimp. I am going to sort of scampi my shrimp quickly because I don't just like the idea of putting raw shrimp into the mixture that is already on the stove. So I'm just going to scampi my shrimp real quick, adding my favorite ingredients. You can add your favorite tool. In this case, it's some onion powder, Larry's seasoned salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and some cayenne paprika for that nice color. All right. I'm also using some lime pepper. I don't know if you know that or it's selling in your neighborhood, but lime pepper is really nice. And I'm just going to saute this until it becomes pink. All right. Or the shrimp cooks. Okay. And then you just, sort of add it to your dish. But I'm adding the mushrooms first, guys. And I put the mushrooms at this point because I just want them to get soft. By the time them get soft, the dish would have been done. All right. So remember to check on your pasta. You only want it to be on the stove for about 10 minutes, after which you have to take it out and drain it or else it will continue to cook. I'm adding some butter here to get that nice velvety vibe going to my sauce. And again, watch your sauce reduction. If it goes down too much, you want to add a little bit more coconut milk or a little bit more pasta water. Now I'm adding my tomatoes, and this is the final thing. You want to add your tomatoes. Don't make the tomato them cook out, please. All right. Check for seasoning. Make sure say your salt content is where you want it. And then we are almost ready to go. I'm telling you, really and truly, put some fresh cracked black pepper too. That's what I did, and that was a game changer. Took it to another level, I'm promising you. Now you want to add your pasta, guys. And at this point, your stove should be really off. You don't want your pasta to soak up any extra sauce to make it sort of more dried out. So you want to turn your stove off and just add your pasta. Once your pasta is incorporated, add your shrimp, and then you are good to go. Yes, guys, it's almost plating time, may I tell you. This was so good, so delicious. I can't tell you. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You just want to finish up with your mixture of herbs, your cilantro and your parsley, and you want to just get ready to plate this one. This one was so delicious and really good to make. Here we go with the plating. And I'm telling you guys, you want to put your pasta generally in the center of the plate, and then you want to start adding around it, okay? And so that's it. Guys, you have to follow us on a Thursday, yes, at around 5 p.m. when we go live with a different dish. And of course, this was a dish that was recommended by one of our viewers. The person who gifts us the most each week gets to choose what we make on that particular day. Guys, this turned out really good. I was 100% satisfied. We had this with a glass of wine, and we also drizzled a little bit more olive oil just to give you that nice European type of vibe going. You know, you understand what I say? And of course, guys, we also were supposed to put some lemon wedges down, and we totally forgot the lemon wedges. And not until we started eating that, the wife said, lemon wedges, and we had to run and go get it. So here's the taste test now. Make we see now. And let me just lift up the pasta and show now. Seafood pasta and Chardonnay. You understand? See there? Guys, the thing turn all the way up.
Perfect combination.
Ooh!
Pasta.
Shrimp and mushroom, and it's just a barrage of beautiful things. Yeah. All who want some, send me. All who want some, send me. Yeah. This is the first test, the first taste.
What about
No, man.
but I ask you what about lemon? Or lemon not good coconut?
Girl.
No man. Pretty. Pretty.
Guys, me forget the lemon. Back. I am back. I am back. Lemon.
Back like new pack.
See? You take your lemon now and you
Take him and do so.
take him and do so. You understand? Tanya, that one you're up, Tanya.
Oh,
You
God.
take your lemon and do so. And then you go back in again. For your pasta. Lord of me, Jesus.
You ever sing Tanya song for that one, yeah? Where all the plates are like, chef?
Oh! No. No, baby. Baby. I'm not even getting a pasta yet. Come, baby. Make. Oh, jeez. No. No, sir.
A1.
There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, we go live on TikTok every Tuesday at 5 p.m. and on Thursdays on YouTube at 5 p.m. Thanks so much for joining us. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. Yardie TV. Remember me tell you.